So hi, we are going to work out 6.3 times 2.4. So the first thing first is to change the 6.2 and the 2.4 to whole numbers. So 6.3, we'll change that to 63 times 10 to the minus 1. And 2.3, change that to 24 times 10 to the minus 1. So once we've done that, it is much easier to work out. So 63 times 24. Easiest way to do it, 63 times 20, then 63 times 4. So I just split them into 20 and 4. 63 times 20 and 63 times 4. This should give me 6, 12. Then I just add a 0 under it. And this one, 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 6 is 24, plus the 1, 25. Then I add them together. 2, 5, 2. 2, 6 plus 5, 11. I got the 1 which is left. Then 2 plus 2, 4, plus that 1, 5. I got 1. Now these ones, I need to add them back. 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 10 to the power of minus 1. Minus 1 is the same as 10 to the power of minus 2, which will leave me with 1512 times 10 to the power of minus 2. So these minus 2 are just decimal places. So I move the decimal places back up. So it becomes 15.12. Okay? Now, another way to not do this very long and tedious way, I can just do 63 times 24. Same technique. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 6, 24, plus the 1, 25. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 6, 12. 2. 5 plus 6, 11. 2 plus 2 from 4, plus that extra 1, 5. Then I have 1 here. Again, I add this back in as well. Should give me 15 plus 12. Does that make sense? Okay, now your turn.